Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500. This truck comes with 185,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a 5.7L V8 FOHV 16-valve gasoline engine and rear-wheel drive, delivering the classic durability expected from a California-owned, single-owner truck. The exterior is finished in black, paired with a brown interior, and it includes a long 8-foot bed that adds practicality for hauling or work use. The truck carries a clean title, and its history as a one-owner California vehicle makes it especially appealing. Recent maintenance further enhances its reliability. The seller reports that all 8 spark plugs, the spark plug wire set, and the ignition cap and rotor have been replaced. The truck also received a new air filter, fresh engine oil and filter, a new fuel pump housing, fuel pump, sending unit, and an entirely new fuel tank. A new battery has also been installed, ensuring strong and dependable starts.
Number 2.
1990 Ford F250, price $6,500. This truck has approximately 113,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission. It features a red exterior matched with a red interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a strong big block engine paired with a 5-speed manual, and it reliably starts every time. It also has cold AC, a hot heater, and a clean Colorado title. Recent maintenance includes a brand new stainless exhaust, a new clutch with less than 5,000 miles on it, fresh valve cover gaskets, and a new water pump. The truck also has newer tires and is configured as a 2x4. It comes without catalytic converters, offering a straightforward exhaust setup. Overall, this F250 is a clean, well-maintained truck with solid mechanical updates and dependable performance.
Number 3.
1993 GMC 1500, price $7,750. It has approximately 220,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission.
It features a blue exterior and a matching blue interior, powered by a gasoline engine.
The truck recently received a fresh 2-stage paint job along with new headlights and taillights. Its 4.3-liter Vortec engine runs excellently and was rebuilt several years ago, while the 4-speed automatic transmission shifts perfectly. Inside, the truck has been updated with new carpet, a new headliner, and brand new upholstery. It also comes with an upgraded stereo receiver that includes a backup camera and remote control. The air conditioning system has been completely replaced, now using R134 with a new compressor, dryer, valves, and condenser.
Because the suspension remains stock, it drives smoothly and comfortably, contributing to its excellent overall drivability. The truck is smogged, registered, and currently titled in the owner's name. Number 4.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, shows about 88,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, a matching red interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a strong 305 small block V8 paired with a rebuilt TH400 transmission, both of which operate smoothly. The paint is in great shape and gives the truck a sharp look, while the body remains solid with only minor rust on the cab corners. The interior is in excellent, fully functional condition, and the truck is mechanically sound throughout. It needs nothing and drives exceptionally well, reliable enough for a cross-country trip.
It also comes with complete paperwork, including the original manuals and warranty information. Number 5.
1989 Ford F250, price $10,000, equipped with an automatic transmission paired to a strong 7.5-liter 460 gasoline engine. The truck has a freshly refinished blue exterior that gives it a sharp, refreshed look, while the gray interior remains simple and functional. Despite its age, the body is impressively straight with zero rust, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. On the road, it runs and drives extremely well, with the big block V8 delivering smooth power and the tires offering excellent tread for confident driving. It retains its classic character with manual windows and manual door locks, yet is fully practical with a tow package and integrated trailer brakes, making it ready for work, hauling, or recreational towing.
Number 6.
1989 GMC Sierra, price $5,000, comes with 118,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, and a black exterior paired with a blue interior, running on gasoline. The truck runs strong and reliably, having recently received over $4,000 in maintenance and upgrades, including a new battery, hoses, engine belts, accelerator cable, oil filter, throttle cable, pulleys, spark plugs, radiator, wiring, brake switches, seat belts, and door hinges. It is also equipped with 5 brand new Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires valued at $2,000, along with a new idler arm, pitman arm, and a fresh 4-wheel alignment. It features a bed-mounted galvanized steel toolbox chest, and the seller has receipts for all completed work and the tires. The truck comes with a clean title in hand, making it a solid and dependable choice for anyone seeking a well-maintained classic Sierra.
Number 7.
1984 Toyota pickup, price $4,500, shows 232,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission, offering that classic old-school driving feel. It carries a blue exterior matched with a blue interior, maintaining the simple and rugged style typical of Toyota trucks from this era. Powered by gasoline, the long bed model provides plenty of utility for hauling or daily use. The truck runs and drives well, and despite its age, it still performs reliably. However, it does need some attention and minor repairs, as it is not in perfect condition. It's important to note that it does not come with power steering, which gives it a more traditional, mechanical driving experience.
Number 8.
1990 GMC 1500, price $4,950, powered by a dependable 350 automatic engine, and it still runs and drives smoothly for its age. The truck is completely rust-free, showcasing its well-preserved condition, and it comes with a clean California title, adding confidence for the next owner. On the road, it performs nicely with stable handling and strong engine response, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a classic GMC pickup. While mechanically sound overall, it does require some interior work to bring the cabin back to its best condition, and the thermostat housing has a minor leak that should be addressed in the near future.
Number 9.
1989 Ford F250, price $8,000. It has approximately 130,000 miles on the odometer and runs on a reliable Ford 300 inline-6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is 2WD and remains largely original, not restored, yet still in solid condition for its age. Over the past year, the owner has completed several maintenance items to keep it running smoothly. This includes new spark plugs and a distributor cap, along with a water pump, battery, and starter. The windshield wiper motor and wipers have also been replaced. In addition, important fluids such as the rear differential fluid, transmission fluid, and brake fluid have been serviced, and a number of vacuum hoses have been updated as well.
Number 10.
1980 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,000. This truck has approximately 90,000 miles, runs on gasoline, and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a classic, uniform look. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.7L 350 engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission, along with dual fuel tanks. The truck is solid with no rust issues, no cancer, and even includes the rare factory-installed door speakers. It had been sitting for several years, but the current owner brought it back to life and got it back on the road, installing multiple new parts to ensure it runs well. Despite its age, it starts up consistently every time. The truck does have a few needs. It requires a gauge cluster, as well as new valve covers and valve seals.